In this video, I will give you 5 supplements that will help you heal from burnout. Not just feel better, but recover faster and protect yourself from burning out again. These aren't random pills. They're the fundamentals of stress resilience, the foundation that helps protect your energy instead of constantly draining it. If you feel mentally drained, emotionally flat, and physically exhausted all the time, stay with me, because supplement number 3 repairs the sleep damage that keeps most people stuck. These supplements are for generally healthy adults. If you have a medical condition, take medications, are pregnant or breastfeeding, talk to your healthcare provider first. And remember, supplements help best alongside sleep, nutrition, therapy, and movement. They don't replace them. Burnout puts your body in permanent fight or flight. Your stress system is stuck on. Ashwagandha helps slow it down. It's an adaptogen. It helps lower cortisol, your stress hormone. Clinical studies show it can reduce stress and anxiety and improve sleep quality. Typical dose used in studies is around 250 to 600 milligrams of standardized root extract per day. Take it with food. Start low. It tells your nervous system you are safe. You can finally rest. But calm alone isn't enough. You also need your energy and focus back. Rhodiola rosea helps with that. It targets mental fatigue and brain performance. It has been studied in people with burnout and chronic fatigue, and it showed improvements in concentration, energy, and resistance to stress. Usual dose is around 200 to 400 milligrams per day of standardized extract. Take it in the morning or early afternoon. It doesn't just stimulate you, it helps you adapt. Still, energy means nothing if your sleep is broken. Most burned out people suffer from light sleep, broken sleep, or no deep sleep at all. Magnesium helps fix this. It helps your brain relax, it supports better sleep quality, and it helps calm the nervous system. Most people take around 200 to 400 milligrams of elemental magnesium per day. Magnesium glycinate or threonate are great options. Take it at night. When your sleep improves, your entire recovery accelerates. But burnout also affects your brain chemistry and inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, help protect your brain and mood. They support brain cell communication and reduce neuroinflammation. Studies show omega-3s are linked to improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression, especially when EPA is higher. A common dose range is 500 to 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per day. Choose a high-quality, third-party tested source. And now the one most people don't think about, vitamin D. Especially if you spend most of your time indoors or live in low sunlight environments. Low vitamin D is linked to fatigue, low mood, and poor immune function. Research shows improving vitamin D levels in deficient people can improve mood and energy. The smartest way is to test your levels first. Many people take between 1,000 to 2,000 IUs daily for maintenance. Deficient people may need more, but only under guidance. Fixing this alone can change how your mind and body feel. Here's the simple recap. Ashwagandha to calm your stress system, rhodiola to restore mental energy, magnesium for sleep and recovery, omega-3s for brain and mood, vitamin D for hidden deficiency. Start slow, one supplement at a time. Track how you feel. Supplements won't fix everything, but they can make recovery much easier. If you want a simple starter stack with exact examples, just comment stack.